this video, I'll show you how you can add multiple face accessories to your avatar in Roblox. Now let's get straight into it, and we need to head over to an internet browser, and you just need to come over to the address bar and type in roblox.com. From here, make sure you're logged into your account at the top right here, and then we're going to come over to this left hand navigation. Come down and select avatar, then come over to accessories and select face. Now this is a new account, so I only have one accessory available inside of here, but if you do have multiple accessories, I'll show you how to add them now. So what you need to do is right click on any accessory that you want to add to your avatar and come over to open link in new tab. So if you have more than one accessory inside of here, then you just need to right click on each one and select open link in new tab. So I'll just show you an example by opening multiple tabs with these sunglasses. Now once you've finished opening all the new tabs of the accessories that you'd like to wear, we need to come over to this advanced button down the bottom here, and first thing you need to do is just get rid of this number at the top. Now head over to the first tab that we opened, and you'll notice this ID number in the address bar. So all you need to do is just select this number up here and then right click and come over to copy, come back over to our avatar, and we're just going to paste this number inside of the asset ID. And then if you have multiple accessories, we can just come over to each of the tabs and copy the unique number inside of here and come back over to the avatar and paste them in these asset IDs. So you can add a total of 10 different accessories inside of here. And once we finish, we just click on the save button, click on save to override our current look. And congratulations, we've now added multiple accessories to our Roblox avatar. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.